Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do these two pendants, so stick around. First you'll need some findings. Then I use gold, pearl white, green, and red for this particular pendant. So I'm going to be rolling the pendant base into a circle. Then I flatten it out on the table. I'm using a ball tool to smooth out the inside of the pendant so that the flowers can lay in there. I'm going to put the heart in first, so I'm rolling out kind of like a little log, and then I cut sideways on it. I take those two pieces apart and stick them back together like this. Then I'm taking a ball of clay of the original color, and then I place the heart on top of that so it sticks up higher. And then it's time to move on to the leaves. Now we're on to the flowers. If you'd like a more detailed tutorial on how I make my flowers, I'll put a link in the description. I felt like this pendant was missing a little something, so I decided to put some crystals in the open spots. This metal finding is optional. Onto the second pendant, I'm using some red glitter and mixing it with translucent white clay. And I'm using white gold glitter for the base. And here are our projects baked. As you can see, the translucent clay changes quite a bit when baked. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.